install the RUS Offroad Packout Mount, first remove the two T40 bolts from the front of the bed. Install the bottom piece of the anchors into the bed anchor holes. Place the included 3-inch spacers onto the exposed bolts. Position the Packout mount in place, making sure the holes line up with the bed's anchor points. Reinstall the two T40 bolts using the included washers. Leave them slightly loose for adjustment. Thread the anchor caps onto the anchors. Adjust the mount as needed, then tighten all hardware until snug. Do not over-tighten. Important note: if you've got a Pro R model, you'll need to temporarily remove the air intakes and the rear speakers for the mount to fit. You can reinstall them once the mount is in place. We have detailed instructions on our instructions page. For Pro S owners, a small amount of trimming might be needed on the Packout itself if you're pairing it with our Yeti 35 mount. This mount works great with both our Yeti 35 and RTIC 20 cooler mounts. The Yeti 35 will open about halfway. The RTIC 20 will open all the way. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.